Okay, we have a situation. You have a barbecue missing a wheel. Go online, 35 bucks. So go to Harbor Freight, I get one for like $3 or $4. But the problem is, the hole's too big and it rattles around. So first thing I have to do is find something that diameter. So I used an old piece of an airline hose, and then I can start walking around looking for stuff. And so I walk around and I find a marking pen, and the marking pen lid fits in the hole. I hate to burn it, so I get the marking pen and I pound it down, and I cut the little goodie off, and I pounded it in there. Then I took my saw and I cut it off. And now I've got it. If I was in a machine shop, what I would have to do is go to the drawer that has shims and just get a shim, because this is called a shim. I'm shimming the diameter up to hold the wheel. Now it fits on there, not exactly, but very little. And see the gap? Need a couple of washers. Then the washer for the nut. And then the nut. This is a cap nut, and it's self-tightening. In other words, it won't come undone because it's got a little goodie in there. That I forget what material it's made out of, but it's self-locking. It'll never come undone. It's got some wobble to it because I couldn't find the perfect shim. The shim was fit. You know, the shim and the lid wasn't enough, but I didn't want to hunt around. Find a piece of hose or a tubing or something would have done it, but now job done. $4 versus 35 bucks. Now I got a spare wheel. Keep it or take it back and get my money back. Because who cares if one's white and one's black? All right, bye-bye.